Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy Bitcoin on the Binance app in 2024. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, providing you with the knowledge and confidence to start buying Bitcoin. First, you need to download and install the Binance app on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and create an account if you don't already have one. Fill in the required information, including your email address, password, and country of residence. After creating your account, you will need to verify your identity through the Know Your Customer process. This is a standard security measure to prevent fraud and money laundering. You will need to provide a government-issued ID and a selfie to complete the verification process. Once your account is verified, you can deposit funds into your Binance account. You can do this by navigating to the Wallet section and selecting the Deposit option. Binance supports a wide range of payment methods, including bank transfers, credit cards, and PayPal. After depositing funds, you can navigate to the Markets section and search for Bitcoin. Select the Bitcoin market and click on the Buy button. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy and select your payment method. Review the transaction details and confirm the purchase. It is essential to note that buying Bitcoin on Binance is subject to market volatility and risks. The value of Bitcoin can fluctuate rapidly, and you could lose some or all of your investment. Therefore, it is crucial to do your research, set a budget, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. In conclusion, buying Bitcoin on the Binance app is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge and caution. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can start buying Bitcoin and take the first step into the world of cryptocurrency. Remember to always prioritize security, do your research, and invest responsibly.